ana mama fra wana
eh
mama fra wana
o se me na
o ye na
yango wa ka ye na
so wo se agudi wo se eto ewia friend to break kase no so ede amamo na brand manager edema nation CFC Kennedy Boachi ansa ana ade atudwa se Ghana Premier League we first round in fact eniama ekosuye pa sina ni pe bi kase league na enko yo ndo hu se league no anshada answer sa first round eniama ekoyi nemum osrempen for say sponsorship a eni league no second round ya chance ya womba modin na unya sponsorship ede ama team.
First round, not too bad. We managed to pick some very good wins on the road. It's me called the man who team called Shadiana Stars. It's me called Sabates Kobo 1-1. It's me called Dreams Ekoshamo 1-0. It's me called Basakosha Asante Kotoko 2-0. And then just yesterday, it's me share Heart of Lions the lone goal. Uber Fuse so Vision FC 3-0. This is a very good result for us. Become Chelsea, as we think they say for the first time in November 28 games are near ball, but I can't Chase Sports Complex. Become Chelsea, Bechet. Only what I would say is it was a very exciting first round. Officiating officials, we are there, say, a bomb about someone out there, so I say, it's me show moon crimes in the bay, meeting me and preview on their game. So, in terms of officiating, I'll give it about 70%. It was a human institution. So you can't have it all, but in terms of officiating, I'm about 70%. And then the TV coverage, because I think initially we didn't have any TV coverage, but then came Alpha Sports and the other partners. They struggled because I believe not be any soon said when they did that, but along the line they've improved. I only hope as we get into the second round now. All these things should be improved, and they will have a very beautiful Ghana Premier League. The only thing I had is lack of sponsorship for the league, but I know GFN also more modern party say on between any title sponsor for the league.
We ene sama Kennedy Boachi ansa brand manager Edema Nation FC Edi Etu Ejwa na yenremu okuma se Asante Kotoko na kwesi apenkra enso chairman Edema Kotoko IMC na unse Kotoko for akosan right back anosia kan Edema Great Olympics FC Nania Abrantia Yefeno Daniel Adren Ajete na papeso edi futu kama fa enkran kasenum edi ama Abrantia Yefeno Daniel Ajete Adrian Yanko na Yahweh na Yentinia Ekoso.
Well, I take this chapter to me. So can be called with our man to me. Because we see. Then Uba, as I know to it, Nanake, Uba. Anyone who can wear you coach them with all of Uba. You walk with Uba as a man after Uba. You are done your bar, you will want to. I have to tell you that doesn't matter. You know, you can your back way. If I will not be there, like I am your town, competition in our town, like a custom. As a minister, you change the heart, and you will now remember. Anytime before, you can know what's happening. That is anyway,
Enti nana kwesi apenkra wabra no to abranti afena Daniel Ajete Adren yakote nenka enso elho na Asante Kotoko goalkeeper Simon captain Abrantia Yefeno Fredrick Asare in Asare April Kakra with me bounce back to the team. Our starting official training on the Kotoko team in and Kotoko Fansa. They be a movie service was sports Abrantia upon on us. Didn't in a team no Fredrick Asare Upraya was an adjoining team no. Into Yengina we so na yemfa a good game with 7 AC. Ewo Evia Pentu Breakers and so. Within Eddie Otegamo fans, team of fans, #God can't fail.
God can